Want a personalized touch on Windows 11? I'll guide you on how to create a screensaver. Stay tuned for a quick and easy way to customize your display when idle. On the home page, click on the magnifying glass icon to bring up the search bar. Type in Screensaver and click the first entry you see. The Screensaver settings window opens. Click the drop-down menu under Screensaver. Select one of the default screensaver options available. Once you've made your selection, you can change the screensaver's configuration by clicking Settings. However, not all options will have settings to alter. The Photos options does, however. The Settings window allows to choose which pictures to use, the slideshow speed, and the ability to shuffle them. Use the box next to Wait to set the slideshow delay in minutes. Check the box next to On Resume, Display Login Screen to lock the computer when the screensaver ends. Click Apply, then OK. The screensaver begin after the time you specified as long as your computer receives no keyboard or mouse input until that time. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.